Ramos, ready for play. Ayan. Tinuturo niya ang kanyang kakampi. Has to come up. Come up. Or two. Aba, Malyari. Ayan, nakapadali si Malyari. Inside play to Malunso. There's a call. There's a call. Number 21. Another foul by Pajardo. Sobre. Pajardo up in favor of Alhambra. 3 minutes, 32 seconds. 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Team fouls pala ang tagutin. 15.
Kaya nga po wala.
One point. Also. Score. 25. 27. Ako talaga. Pikik ang laban. Ramos. To Pataksin. Bates. Inside play. Pataksin. Wala. Wala. Nakamalinis si Rai. Rai. Sa block. Sa block. Ramos. The score. Number 12.
Kasara.
Masala, masala.
Team fouls. Tagutin. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Alhambra. 10 seconds shot clock. Purika. That's set by referees Alex. It's a traveling. 2 minutes, 49 seconds. Only 2 points lead by the Takutin. Tongon. Set for play. To Alonso. To Brad. 10 seconds shot clock. Yari. Another rebound. It's a traveling. Charge time